Allow me to show you how SCA can power up any idea. Let's build a quick application together. This is an example of a quick Twitter-like application database, and in this demo we'll show you how our technology can quickly build central parts of your product in no time. Picture this database we just built as your own product or business data model. We'll adapt to any schemas on your own and convert its blueprint into code. This code into a project. And your ideas into reality in the blink of an eye. Your project will be deployment ready, available 24/7, and customizable anytime. Our process provides you overall 50% less time and cost to build applications from the ground up, including 60% average less time for your backend setup, and up to 95% less time on infrastructure deployment thanks to our generated pipelines. With your new API, you'll have full control of all your database transactions. Built-in security, file and resources management, environment configuration, and several customization features, all powered by resources working on a pay-as-you-go model, making the rest of your development process cost less than any other solution available. Reach out to us and check how SCA can power up your business and bring you ideas to life quicker and cheaper than any other technology out there.